everybody, welcome to my latest video. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute since I've done a video, but that's because I've been extremely busy and signing onto the ship, rehearsals, cast change, doing a major crossing, and now I'm back and I'm ready to do another video. So today, as you can see, I'm prepped and primed, ready to start doing my makeup for one of our shows. Today we're doing a rock show, which is one of my favourites, and we haven't actually done it for about 3.5 weeks. Because we've been doing a crossing, as I said, from LA to Singapore. Today's the last day of the cruise. It's gone really, really well. We arrive in Singapore tomorrow and we're there for a month because the ship goes into a dry dock where everything gets ripped out and replaced. And we're going to be having rehearsals for a brand new show. It's top secret. So today I thought I would just chat with you whilst I get ready for my show. So what I've done is I've just prepped and primed my skin. I've put a primer on my face. I use the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. I don't know if you can see that, yeah. And then I've also put this primer on my eyes by Urban Decay. It's the Primer Potion. Today's look is going to be, I'm basically playing a role where I'm the element. So I'm basically like wind and like water. So I'm going to be using a gold, like a russet gold, orange and blue colour palette today. Just going to get the appropriate brushes out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start off doing my eyes, and I'm going to start doing a deep blue right on the lid. Then I'm going to move into doing like a lighter blue on the inside corner, and then on the outside I'm going to use kind of gold colours and earthy tones, and we'll see what we get. So I'm going to put you probably on like a fast forward for this because it's super boring. So I've just done my eyes and I've taken off the tape, and now I'm going to do my skin. I'm going to put my foundation on, my powders, my concealer. I need to make sure I cover up all of the redness that I currently have on my skin, and also we sweat a lot during this show, so I need to make sure there's a good thick barrier. In terms of foundation for the shows, I use this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte foundation because it's quite powdery and it does not come off. And then for my concealer, I actually use a Juvia's Place foundation, which is like quite yellow. I like to use more yellow colours, as I've said in many videos before. It looks like this, and it's actually really good coverage. Like I would actually wear this for like normal makeup as well, but it's just not the wrong shade for everyday use. All of my eyeshadow that I use today is also from Juvia's Place, because it has really like high pigment and it does not come off even when I'm sweating.
Comes around.
It's currently.
Oh my god! Imagine.
I'm gonna stop the time lapse of this bit to hear you going.
Tell me you love me, why did you leave me all alone?
We usually have quite a lot of banter in the. Wow, that's really orange. Look at my face. We usually have quite a lot of banter in the dressing room, and I feel like people are very loud and weird. So welcome to our life for 5 minutes.
You're turning around to us.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you doing today?
Wonderful.
Having
Just
fun?
trying to do this makeup, you know.
What are you going for today? Are you going for the
Go
gold?
for a red and like. Well, the thing is, we have to do red now. Look, I can't have too much reds. Look at it. Oh my god, it looks like I've been punched in the eye. So I can't go for too many reds at the moment. So I have to go for more of a bronze. So it's very bright. You can't really see me that good, but like, I'll show you the finished look later. I haven't done my foundation yet.
Oh, bummer. She's messed up the flick. Not good. Awkward.
They're not meant to be twins, they're meant to be sisters.
No, that's your eyebrows, babe.
Oh,
No, it works for eyeliner. It
We'll go with it.
works
We'll
for
go with it. It's
eyeliner.
gonna be that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do my contour. I just literally use where's my brush? I use currently the NYX or NYX, however you want to say it. It's just a matte bronzer and it's really dark.
I'd really like to recommend the Tarte. I have to do that thing when you do your hands. Tartist Pro Glow to Go. It's really nice. Look, it's like you can get like contour here, and then like a light one, and then a gold one. I think.
Ooh!
Ooh.
All in one, that is.
So that is Tartist to Go.
Thank you, Sophie. There we go, tip of the day. If you want some contour, go for the Tartist palette.
Meanwhile, I'm having a tantrum.
Geraldine's having a tantrum.
Are we ruining your video?
No, you're making the video.
That's not the reaction I wanted. So,
Oh, what a friend's for.
That's what.
No, it's not bad, you can see it. Put some heavy foundation on yourself.
yeah,
everyone.
done.
Logged out. Good night.
It's decided that we're not here anymore.
Cruise is over. Thanks for hanging out.
What is happening today?
Camera,
What is happening?
camera shy, mate.
Look at me. What is going on? This can't be happening to me. Okay, you know what? That's what we're gonna get. It's fine. Fine.
Okay, so I'm having a few problems with my contour today, but we just won't mention that right now. I'm going to fix that later. I'm just going to do my eyebrows and then I will finish off doing my eyes before I put my highlighter and my lipstick on. Okay, so all I've done is put some eyeliner on, I've stuck my eyelashes on, done my eyebrows. I'm just about to fill in under my eyes with the same colours that I used on the top. Lovely musical interlude there by Playlist Cast Manager Sophie. Now I'm just going to put some mascara on my bottom lashes to finish off my eyes. Ooh, I'm liking that today. Okay, all I need to do now is put my favourite highlighter on, which is currently Juvia's Place. I don't even know what that's called. I think it might be called Heroin. Heroin as in the heroes, not the drug. And the lid of it looks like this anyway. You see? And it's literally like powdered stardust. I absolutely love it. It's just so fine and so glittery. So glowy. Okay, that's pretty much it for now. I'll show you my finished look, as it were, when I've done my hair and everything. I'm gonna wait to put my lipstick on till just before the show. But the last thing that I'm gonna do right now, put setting spray on. This is the All Nighter Urban Decay setting spray. We like to use a lot of that to combat the sweat. And just let that dry on my face. And pretty much done. I've preset my costumes. We've got sound check in about 5-ish minutes. And so I'll do that, and then I'll come back here and do my hair. And then have a nice probably stretch, warm up some more before the show, and then I'll be ready to go. Oh! What is going on? What happened there? What? Did I do that? Oh my god, that's actually terrifying. Okay, so the lighting's literally not playing with my camera today. I'm not that orange, I swear to you. Wow, that's interesting. Okay, I'm just gonna deal with it. Okay, so I've just finished doing all my hair and makeup. We've had our sound check. And yeah, this is my finished look. I'll take some pictures and probably put them on at the end. Yeah, we're all super excited to do the show, and thank you for watching another video, short but sweet today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.